Hello everyone, welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's GDP at 7.8% in April-June 2025. This topic relates to economy section of the UPSC CSC syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. India's economy recorded a surprise upswing in Q1 financial year 26 with GDP growth hitting 7.8%, the highest in 5 quarters. This comes at a time when policymakers are facing global headwinds, particularly the 50% tariff imposed by the US on Indian goods due to India's continued oil and arms trade with Russia. Now, let's discuss the key points. India's real GDP grew by 7.8% in Q1 FY26, higher than 7.4% in the previous quarter. Nominal GDP rose by 8.8%, while gross value added reached a 6-quarter high of 7.6%. Agriculture and allied activities expanded 3.7%, showing a strong recovery from last year's 1.5%. Manufacturing and construction also performed well with 7.7% and 7.6% growth respectively, though mining contracted due to rainfall disruptions and utilities slowed to just 0.5% growth. Investment remained steady at 7.8%, while government spending rebounded with 7.4% growth. The services sector emerged as the star performer, posting its highest growth in 2 years at 9.3%, driven by trade, hotels, transport 8.6%, financial and real estate services 9.5%, and public administration and defense 9.8%. Now, let's discuss the gross domestic product. It represents the total monetary value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a specific period, meaning only those consumed by the end user are counted. It is widely used as a key indicator to assess a nation's economic growth. GDP is derived from 4 main components: private consumption by households, government spending on its current needs such as salaries, investments that enhance the economy's productive capacity like factories, roads and bridges, net balance of exports and imports. Now, it's time to look at a practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. India's GDP growth in Q1 FY26 stood at 7.8%, the highest in 5 quarters. 2. The surge was mainly driven by a slowdown in the services sector. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comments section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.